welcome to the new release of AvePoint Online Services. As you can see, we've made some design improvements and we'd like to tell you more about them. If you've used our products in the past year, Cloud Backup, Entrust, Insights, Fly, you will already be familiar with this new look and feel. This new style simplifies the navigation to focus the key settings you care about into central pages. Take security, for instance. This is now a checklist of our best practices right on one page, with the ability to make changes right in line without having to leave the primary settings pages. All your settings will be automatically imported to this latest version. There is nothing you will need to do to make that happen. AvePoint Online Services has always made it easy to manage multiple tenants from a single pane of glass. This version introduces a new least permissive app designed to scan and identify basic information needed to register your tenant. This can let us know how large of an environment we're working with, or other basic information that we may need to license your software. If you've used our software before, any applications you've used to connect to your tenant are automatically upgraded to this latest version. You'll notice one of the best improvements when adding new services to use our latest updates. Let's take the new Power Platform support and backup, or Teams calling management introduced in Entrust, for example. For the fastest setup, those who've used custom pre-created apps in your tenant or the all-inclusive AvePoint apps in the past will still see those options. But our new least permissive security model will allow you to see and select just the apps that pertain to your use cases. For instance, if you're only interested in backing up Exchange, these are the only permissions required to accomplish that task. All of this organized in a single checklist. We've also made it easier to see and manage the objects you've discovered in your tenants, including simplifying some of the options presented at the time of registration. Any advanced settings you'll need can be found just in time in the services you are using. Advanced mode received an improvement as well, with a rich set of metadata being pulled through to make it easier to create targeted policies or security trimmed or role-based access based on information that's currently stored in your tenant. These are just a few of the highlights of the ways we've made your life easier to work with AvePoint Online Services. There's nothing you need to do to opt into this change. This will happen automatically in the next release. For more information, please look at our documentation as we get closer to this release.